That's the key distinction for real empowerment.
Okay, great. That really clarifies the process. But what if someone listening is thinking, hey, I could do that? How do you actually become a life coach?
Good question. The National Career Service outlined a few routes, at least in the UK.
University courses were one.
Yeah, often postgraduate, sometimes specializing, like in sports or organizational
And
coaching,
college courses, too.
right? And they really emphasized looking for courses approved by coaching bodies, ones with practical sessions, supervised work.
To ensure quality, presumably.
Definitely. Then there are apprenticeships. They
Hmm.
mentioned a specific coaching professional hire apprenticeship.
Focused on work performance?
Seems like it. And then interestingly, because the field isn't strictly regulated,
You can just call yourself a coach.
technically, yes, if you
Hmm.
think you have the skills, but, and this is a big feel, but they strongly advise getting accreditation from a professional body.
Makes sense for credibility.
Absolutely. It improves your prospects massively.
What about skills? What do you actually need?
Well, strong counseling skills are key. Active listening, being non-judgmental,
Uh-huh.
some basic psychology knowledge helps, good customer service skills, understanding people, sensitivity,
Excellent communication, obviously.
and patience. Plus, being okay with tech for admin and communication.
And they mentioned background checks might be needed sometimes.
Yeah, potentially,
Hmm.
especially if working with certain groups. They also listed some helpful resources like the Association for Coaching or the ICF.
Okay. So, no single path, but training, developing skills, and getting accredited seem like the serious routes.